Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make money online as a complete beginner. Okay, so if you have no skills at all and you want to make money online, then you need to watch this video from beginning to the end. I'm going to be showing you, I've done this and it's worked for me. I'm showing it to you so that I can replicate it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to fiverr.com. okay, or you hit the link in the description below. It's all the same. It's gonna bring you to this page. Okay, so once you get to this page, what you want to do is you want to hit on join, and it's gonna ask you to create your account with your Google account, or you continue with your email. Okay, so if you click with your Google account, it's going to create your account based on the email address you have logged in on your browser. And if you want to just continue, you want to use a different email address, then you can just hit continue with email, and here they're gonna tell you to provide your email and password. Okay, so once you create your email, provide your email and password, you're going to hit continue, and they're going to tell you to choose a username. Okay, so once you choose your username, then you're going to create your account. Okay, so once you are done doing that, now the trick with this is what you want to do is once you're on the Fiverr platform, what you want to do is you want to create gigs. Okay, so you create gigs, go to on the Fiverr platform, go through their list of services that you can offer and pick the one that you like the most. Okay, or you do your research and see the ones that gets the highest gigs. Okay, so on Fiverr, I know of logo design, they get a lot of orders. Okay, so if you go to logo design, okay, you're going to see that a lot of people have hundreds of orders in queue. Okay, so there are people with 100 orders in queue, 400 orders in queue on this logo niche. Okay, on Fiverr. Okay, so if you wait for this is a tool. It helps, it shows the orders they have in queue. Okay, so as you can see, this person has 391 orders in queue, and their basic gig is $40. Okay, and this guy has $40 and he has 11 orders in queue: 18, 62, 24, 35, 400, 319. Okay, so you can make a lot of money with this. Okay, 326 orders in queue. Okay, so you see the logo niche has a lot of orders. Okay, and you can also go with web design. So the thing is, you're not going to be doing this yourself. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to create let's say for instance you're creating a gig on logo design. Okay, so this person is offering for $40, this person is offering for $50, 35, okay, 25, and it has 24 orders in queue. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to create your gig and you want to put your price a little bit above all this. So you do your research and see the minimum amount that you can offer. Okay, so for this logo I can say you can put it at $20 or $25. Okay, so you can come and hire someone like this. So once you get an order, what you do is you come and hire this guy, and it's going to do the job for you, and you're going to submit it to the clients. Okay, so you're not going to be the one doing the orders yourself. Okay, so let me show you my earnings here on Fiverr. Okay, so let's go to my dashboard. Okay, so you're gonna get some people that you see I have this person ordered for me since 547 days ago, and they've not come to check on their orders. Okay, so what you want to do is let's go to my earnings. Okay, so let me show you. So I'm not telling you what I have not done. So as you can see, I've made a total of $17,880 with this method. Okay, so all you need to do is go to the Fiverr platform, create your gig. Okay, create a gig. Okay, I have a video in my channel showing you how to create a gig on Fiverr, so you can go ahead and watch it. Okay, so create a gig, then you're going to create the gig and put the price a little bit above the standard price that you see on the niche that you pick. So once you get that orders, then you're going to come to this place and look for someone that is offering that service for a lower price. Okay, so if you are offering for $50, then you look for someone that is offering it for like 20, 25, $30, so you keep the difference, okay, you keep the profit on it, okay. So if you are offering for $50 for example, and you hire someone that is offering it for $30, that means you are keeping $20 as your own, but you are doing a zero work, okay. You're not doing any of the designs, you're not doing any of the jobs, and you can go and pick any of these services. You can go under graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music and audio, program and tech, photography, business, AI services, okay. So and they have subcategories under them, so you can create gigs around all these niches. And whenever you get an order, you just look for someone that's offering the service for a lower fee than you are, then you hire the person and you get paid. Once the person submits the design or the project and the customer accepts it and clears the order, then you keep the profit of the service or of the amount that the customer paid you, okay. So this is a very, very easy way to make money online. You don't have to have any skills, you don't have to do any work. All you just need to do is head over to fiverr.com or hit the link in the description below, create an account with them, set up your gigs. After you have done your research to see the gig that you know is going to be more profitable to you, okay. So once you're done doing that, then you wait and you get your orders. And if you want to make it faster, you can ask someone to place an order on your gig, or you do it yourself. Create another account on Fiverr as a buyer, then you place an order on your gigs so that you have that proof of work, okay. Because a lot of buyers, when they come to Fiverr, they normally look for people that have done jobs before, so that they can be sure that the person they can be sure that you're going to provide a very good service to them, okay. So you can go ahead and look for someone, maybe let's say for example you're in the design niche, okay. So you can look for, if you have a friend that does graphic designs, you can ask them to do something for you, then, or you look for someone, or you pay someone to do something for you, then you just upload it as the job that you're submitting to the client on Fiverr. Then you give yourself a good rating, so you can do 5, 7, 10 reviews on it to make the process faster, so that you can start getting orders faster, okay. So that's it, guys. This is a very easy method, and you're going to make, as you can see, I've made $17,000 already on Fiverr. So it's pretty easy, and I don't do any of the jobs. I just come, and once I get an order, I'll have buyers, sellers I work with already, okay. So I just place orders with them, they complete the job, I submit it to the customer. If there's any reviews, I send it back to the person that is doing the job. They do the reviews, I send it back to the customer, and once the customer is okay and satisfied with it, they get paid and I keep the profit, okay. So it's as easy as that, okay. So it's very easy. Even if you are the laziest person on this planet, okay, you can do this, except you just don't want to make money online, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you got any value in it, hit the subscribe button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, so that you get notified whenever I post another video like this, and hit that like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to someone like you that needs a very easy and simple way to make money online. Thank you guys for watching once again, and do have a lovely day.